Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes, they know.
Hello YouTube, it's your girl Kimberly. Thank you for coming back to my channel. In this video we are going to talk about ELF's Halo Liquid Glow Filter. So if you want to know more, keep watching. Thank you so much for coming to the channel. We really do appreciate you taking the time out to come. Please hit the subscribe button. It would help us so much, and it would make sure that you don't miss out on any of the great videos that I have here on the channel. Beauty, hair, tech, nails, travel, everything. We want you to be a part of it, and we also want your comments too, so jump down in the comment section below if you have something to say. Also hit the notification bell so you'll be first to know when I post a new video or I go live. Then like this video if you like the video and share it. Okay, so we're getting into this. So I have the shade Tan Deep, shade 6, and this is like my winter color. I'm not wearing it on my face right now in the video. Clarification point, I'm wearing About Face the Performer. That's my new favorite foundation, and I have a full face, so like we can't do it over, but I'm gonna give y'all some swatches and give you my thoughts. So the applicator is this huge doe foot, which is super great for putting on product, and then that is a little swatchy swatch. It is close to my skin tone, so it might be hard to see it, but can you guys see it? It's not that close, like y'all can still see it. Okay, so there it goes. So it's a little bit, my face is much darker than my hands, so that's why I know on my hand it's like, girl, that ain't the right shade, but I promise you it works on my face. But also this is my wintertime fine, so that's why it's a little lighter than like the foundations and stuff I normally wear. So I will talk about it. I did at one point have the Charlotte Tilbury. I love the Charlotte Tilbury. I was obsessed with it. I am one of those stereotypical makeup wearers where it's like matte in the winter and dewy in the summer, but that's really just because my face is so sweaty that I can't do a matte look, so I need to embrace the dewiness. But I really do love this. It's not an exact dupe for Charlotte, but it's so close nobody could tell me different. I really like it. I think it blends out nice. It wears so long, like, because that was one of my things about Charlotte Tilbury's flawless filter, is that it looked like a really light foundation, but sometimes, especially when you have oily skin like the face and bodies and the real thin skin tints, they'll break down and you'll lose the little bit of coverage that you get. But this, just like the Charlotte Tilbury, keeps that coverage, stays in place, and you're luminous the whole time. So like even areas like here where my skin would normally be like, ooh, we getting a little dry, girl, it's still luminous. It still gives that dewy kind of effect because it has that highlighter aspect to it. So I apply it a number of different ways. I do wear it as a full face foundation sometimes. I wear it on like the high points of my face, so that way I can have like just a highlighted look, especially if I'm not wearing any like a full face of makeup. It's really good product. I will say though, definitely check your stash, see what you got. Not a game changer. It's not even one of my most reached for products. Like once in a while, if I feel like, okay, I'm running errands but I don't want to use an absolute full face of makeup, I've actually been doing like this for the full face of coverage, and then I'll go in with my Say Illuminator and do the like highlight points, and then that will be like my no makeup look. But I do like it. I wish there were more undertones. I can't explain it, but when you look at all the shades lined up, it just, everything seems yellow or red. Like nobody seems neutral. And I was looking at 6 and then I was looking at 7 because I was like, okay, I'm getting 6 now. I'll probably have to get 7 in the summer. But then I was like, 7 is really red. Like I want 6.5. Like, does that make sense? So yeah, so they need more shades of this thing. I mean, in the same vein, the Charlotte Tilbury doesn't have that many shades, but I wish they had more shades too. So but I really like it. It's lightweight. I don't think it has a fragrance at all. Now I gotta double check. It has a slight painty kind of fragrance, but everything dissipates when you put it on your face, because I definitely don't remember any smell when I was wearing it. Looks gorgeous, stays luminous, applies gorgeously, blends easily. It doesn't, although it is a shiny dewy, it's not outrageously dewy. Like, yes, it gives you the highlight, but when you blend it with your full face, it gives you a natural kind of skin finish if you do decide to wear it as a full face of foundation. I would say probably best for dry skin, but if you have combination of oily, you can still make it work. You just might have to do some more steps, a little more prep for your skincare, and probably a little powder, just so you don't look too crazy. So a really good product, especially at the, what is it, $12-14 price point. Although Maybelline has some really good drugstore foundation, so I don't know, she might have competition, but this is really good product. I personally have been loving it, and I'm gonna keep using it. So like I said, this is my winter color, which is Tan Deep 6, and that's all I got for you. Ain't got no more. So if you have any other questions, anything, I'm trying to think if I forgot anything, the wear time, the finish, oh, sensitive skin, acne prone skin, no problems, has not caused pimples, has not caused contact dermatitis flare up, sensitive skin, safe for me. Yep, so that's all I have. So thank you so much for coming to watch the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be